if you know you are a forex trader, then you need to pay attention to exactly what I will be saying in this video. What I have to share with you today will kind of help you to identify your trading skills, to backtest your strategies, and to see how unique they can be or become over time. And of course, this software has been helping me to master my strategy over time, and I've been using this software for the past 3 to 4 years now. This software is getting better by the day, almost every single day. Now, I know probably you heard about Forex Tester Online, and of course, maybe you don't pay attention. I am telling you this, whether you're a beginner or a professional, please pay attention to what I will say in this video. Now, Forex Tester Online is not only a backtesting tool, this is a software that totally changed the way I look at the financial markets. Now, before I do anything crazy, I first of all try to backtest my strategy using Forex Tester Online. And of course, you can actually use Forex Tester Online right now because you can also have the free version of it, so you can test it. But I am telling you, it worth every single penny. Now, the link to get your account right now, it's 100% available in the video description below. You are going to get this with lot and lot of incentive, but I will show you exactly what Forex Tester Online is and how you can make the most out of it. Of course, I don't want to waste much of your time. If today's the first time you're seeing me, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video with family and friends. It will help me a lot. Don't also forget to click on that bell notification icon, because if you do that, you are telling YouTube that each time I publish a video, you want to get a notification. Now, please don't waste much time. Let's dive into my system where I'll show you exactly what the system is all about and how you can make the most out of it. Let's go. If you come here, you can see I am on Forex Tester Online. I'll show you why this system is very, very unique. And I also have a lot of strategies that I want to share with you guys over time. I've been backtesting a lot of strategies, and they're actually working. And I've been using few of them now, and they are really working. I think I was be able to use the strategy. This strategy is amazing. It's called Joe Gold New Strategy. Now you can see I started with $1,000, and over time from January 2025, all right, to January 2025 to 1st of March 2026, you can see I was be able to make $9,256.27. That is a total of 925.63%. I mean, this is crazy on gold. You know too well that gold is very volatile, but this strategy, it's amazing. Now, if you want this strategy, I will be leaving the link in the video description below. You can book a session with me, which I will be trading with you one-on-one. I'll be teaching you how to do the whole thing one-on-one using Forex Tester Online. And don't worry, for the first time using this Forex Tester Online, you don't need to have a version. If I should be the one teaching you my strategy, I will be using my Forex Tester Online to be teaching you my gold strategy that it's not populated anywhere, it's not found anywhere. And at the end of the day, you'll be having a PDF guide that you will be having every single time. And it's not yet over, because you can contact me any day, anytime via WhatsApp, Telegram or email, and then I will get across to you and ask me all your questions, and I will be very glad to answer all your questions. Those strategies are mind-blowing, and they're 100% beginner friendly. You can see I made it. There's another one here that I want you to see. This one here is called the NAS 100 Stock Open Strategy. I think I started with $1,000 from January 2025 to 28th of February 2026. You can see I was be able to make $13,000. That is $13,796.91. That is $1,379.69%. I mean, this is crazy. All these are strategy that you need to say, but I don't want to bug you with this. I want to show you the reason why Forex Tester Online is very important and why you should have one. So hold on, let's go back here and let's go to Forex Tester, right? Hold on, let's go to Forex Tester Online. Sorry, not here. Let's go right here. Oops.com. Right. Pay attention to what I'll be doing here. All right, so let's go to the main official site. Okay, yeah, this is actually the Forex Tester Online official site. You can see right now it's called Accurate Backtesting for Confident Trading Result. I'm not just saying this by mistake. I knew it's actually changed the way I look at the financial markets. I developed my strategy over the years using the Forex Tester Online. I'm having the premium lifetime version. I have a lifetime version of the Forex Tester Online, and the reason why this testing software is the best I mean, you can't find any service anywhere on the internet. There's nowhere you can find any service the way Forex Tester backtesting software offers. I've been using this for years, like I said, and many people are using this software for a very long time, and we're going to see the plan anytime soon, and we're going to see why is it very important. So now see plans and save up to $20. Let's click on here. Now if you click on here, you're going to see something red here, International Women's Day, counting down right now. Now if you come back here, you're going to see we have the starter plan here. Starter plan, starter to lifetime, this is $47 one time. Buy lifetime starter here, you can buy one time. I think it's far better than me using TradingView here to backtest any strategy. And if you want the pro lifetime is $79 per one time. You're just gonna pay once and then buy pro here. I love this software. They only have 2 plans, and I think you can't find any plan, any software like this anywhere. Now this 20% is already applied, and then plus my own 20%. That simply means you have 40% discount. I don't know what you're waiting for. 40% discount. A discount of 40% will totally mean a lot to you, especially if you're starting as a beginner. Now we're going to see how you can backtest strategy, how you can try whatsoever you have. It's a simple platform and anybody can use it. Now you can see we can go ahead and use this. You can buy the starter plan for 47 minus 20%, right? And then you can also go ahead and use and buy the pro. I will suggest you buy the pro features because I'm using the pro for $79. This is beautiful, and you can go ahead and click here to buy it now. Okay, now for now we're going to look at my trading strategy here. Now I personally create a lot of strategy. Now how do anyone create a strategy on Forex Tester Online software? Now one thing that makes this software stand out is because it's you don't have to install anything. Everything is web-based, server-based, and it runs 24/7 every single day of your life. Anytime, any day. There's no latency, there's no server downtime. Everything is looking so good and unique all the time. No delay. Everything, even the historical data, they load super fast. Now let's see why this is very, very important and how you can set up a backtesting. How to start backtesting altogether. Let's go. If you come here, I want you to pay attention to here. You can see we have a new project here. So this is a quick walk around of Forex Tester Online. You can start a blank project, trade insight, blind test, prop challenge, and you can have scenarios. You can have different scenarios as you want. So let's start with a blank, with just the new project. So click on new project. Once you click on new project, few things is going to happen. You're going to see this dashboard here will populate here. So now you can select any currency you actually want to start backtesting on. Let's say I want to use Euro USD, and you can click on Euro USD here. You can select any asset you want, and you can give your project name. I can just type Joe. I can just use Joe Euro USD, and here you can start with any amount. If you like $200, but mostly I start with 100, sometimes $500. Okay, so come here to start date. Very, very important. The start date, you shouldn't miss anything here. So click here on start date and click on this date, because this 2003 way too back. Click on the date and click on the date on the year like this, and you can use this arrow to navigate to the year that you want. So mostly I always backtest early time, like last year to this year. So I'll start from 2025 January 1st, and I'll click outside. You can see the date has been added here, and you can scroll down here. So for me, I'm in UTC +1. I use the same time with Brussels. So let's come here. You can see Brussels, Luxembourg, Madrid. So I'm in UTC +1. So I'll select that one here, and I don't want to leave my bars time to New York. Also, I'll set UTC. All right. So leverage, I'll use my leverage 1:500. That's my best leverage, and go ahead and click on start project. And now just give it some time. It's going to load properly. Once it loads, it's going to give you everything that you want. It will load all the data from January 1st to present, and believe me, you can backtest through them seamlessly without any problem. I love that. I've been using it and it's giving me exactly what I'm looking for. Now let's look at this. Now if you see that here, we have that this our project has been loaded successfully, and we're on the 15 minutes. So mostly I go to any time frame of your choice. I do most of my backtest on 5 minutes, and I do come here to increase my backtesting speed. So by the time let's say I backtest like this, I want to see a very good speed right here going like this. So like that, or you can come here and backtest each candle forward once at a time. Let's bring it down. So you can backtest it like this, each candle forward at a time like this, or you can take it back like this. And then you can also come here. There's this option, they call it jump to specific date and time. So if you click here, you can select session, anything. I mean, there's no any backtesting software that will give you option to select session, any other close or previous Asian high like that. There's no any software in history that can give you such things like this, but Forex Tester Online is the best. Yeah, it's the best. So now you can also do something. I know most of you will be asking, how do I trade news? How do I backtest news that I got like 927% in 1 year? I mean, they also offer news. Let me show you how. Now, if you come here, right click and come here and click on chart settings. There are a few things here. Now, I do remove grid and period and scroll down. I do remove the axe line. Okay. And I'll go ahead and click on there's this option here. I'm on canvassing, so I'll click on view. Under this view, I want to make sure news is checked, volume is out, and of course you can just click on apply to chart, click on apply, and this is going to apply to chart. You can see volume is gone, everything is gone, the chart is not looking super clean, right? But I do also have some template that I save some template over time that I've been using. So let me add my template. So you can come back here, right click like this and come here to chart setting, click on it, come to template, click on templates, and then I'll go ahead and select Joebenz. Okay, now I can click on close. I have my main chart template here. Everything is here. So if I decided to backtest this forward, we're going to see news. Let's backtest a little bit, and so let's see what is happening. Let's backtest. Oops, let me just do this like this. Okay, let's look at this news. This news is unemployment claim. No, I don't trade unemployment claim. All right, let's go. All right, let's keep going. Okay, pay attention to what is happening on the chart. You can backtest at any given time and have what you're looking for. You can stop. Let's look for more. Let's keep going. We're looking for news, and let me show you how I actually backtest my news. Okay, I have one news here. Hope this is manufacturing PMI, SMI manufacturing PMI. So I'm not trading that as well. So just pay attention to everything, because this is the main goal of having backtesting software. As you can see, the news are here. You'll be seeing the news passing through. You can increase the speed if you want, but sometimes if you increase the speed, the speed is much. Okay, the speed is much. Well, this is my studio computer, and that's why you're not seeing it moving so smooth. The RAM here on this desktop is 8 gig, but my main trading desktop is a gaming desktop with 32 gig of RAM, 2 terabyte of SSD with graphic cards of 5070 GTX RTX 5070 on it. So trading is very seamless for me. And okay, we'll have a news here. So let's see which news is this. Okay, this is service PMI. All right, I do trade service PMI. Let me make it closer. Oops, I stopped it right there. So let's look at it again. Okay, this is service PMI and Jolt job opening. So let's bring it closer. I'll move each candle forward once. All right, so now I can easily come here to this low here and set my pending order. So let's go ahead and set sell stop. All right, everything here is possible. Click on edit to edit it here, and of course I'm having a $100 account, so I use, let's say, 0.01 if they 0.1 if they allow me. So let's go ahead and set just 10 pips, 100 points. You see, so again, let me set my buy stop right here. So I just hope you are seeing this. It's super simple. You can backtest news, anything, but here you can say I'm backtesting news. So let me set my TP and set a point. I want to take only 10 pips. Now remember that while trading the news, you can set an average TP. You can increase your lot size and your TP won't be much. So on gold, I think I set up to 200 pips on gold. Sometimes I set 100, sometimes I set 50, depend on the news actually. So, but if you want the news, if you want me to teach you how I do it, you can actually contact me. The link is available in the video description below and also in the pinned comment below. Now let's look at what is happening. So we're going to move one candle. This is the last candle before service PMI, right? So this is a service PMI happening at 16 o'clock. SMI service PMI. I do trade it a lot. So let's click on one candle forward. Bam. See, it take my news out and it take my sell stop and the TP, and my buy stop can be closed manually like this. And then you can keep going. And this is how I actually backtest news and get the most out of it. And that also helped me to actually identify news that are working and avoid those that are not working. I can tell you categorically that not all high impact 3-star news that are actually impactful. Some of them, they are 3-star news, very high impact, but they don't actually move the market. They are not volatile. So in the course I prepare, you're going to see I list out its particular news and its combination of how you can trade them and to make the most out of it. Well, this will bring me to the end of the video. Forex Tester Online happen to be the best backtesting software, and I think no any software is going to overtake them for now. They remain the best, and nothing can change it. So far so good. Now the link to get your account registered right now, to get your copy right now with lot of bonus and incentive, it's 100% available in the video description below. Thank you once again for your time. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with family and friends. That will help me a lot. Thank you. I'll see you guys on the next one, but until then, I want to say bye.